Hey guys, and welcome to today's project of making an awesome cream cheese frosting. The ingredient list is in the description. Sometimes I like to have it on its own, but that can be dangerous, because then I want to finish the whole thing. This fantastic recipe only needs 4 ingredients, starting with vanilla. I am using 1/3 of a pod for this recipe. This pod is dried. I like seeing the seeds, as it gives me that sense of an artisan-style frosting, plus there is nothing quite like using real vanilla. Take out as much of the seeds as you can. Save the actual pod for something else like vanilla sugar or custard. Now take your mixing bowl and place 100 grams of unsalted butter in. Put the seeds in as well. We're going to be using the petal attachment. Turn on the mixer to medium speed and soften the butter. Beat it until everything is incorporated. Make sure to scrape the sides after a few minutes. Measure out 110 grams of icing sugar. Sieve it to make sure there are no lumps. Pour the icing sugar in the mixing bowl with the butter and vanilla. Bring it back onto the mixer and turn on the mixer to low speed to start off with, otherwise you will have an explosion of icing sugar everywhere. Once the icing sugar has been slowly mixed in, start beating the mixture on high for a couple of minutes, or until you get a very white and fluffy mixture. As usual, scrape down the sides to make sure everything is properly mixed. Now take 325 grams of cream cheese. Soften it slightly with a spoon. This helps in avoiding any lumps in the mixture. Put the cream cheese in the mixing bowl. Put it back onto the mixer. Now comes the important part. Let the paddle do the work. It should take no more than 15 seconds on low speed. We do not want to overmix it. We worked very hard to get a fluffy texture. If you were to overmix the frosting, it could collapse and lose all of that texture that we waited for. Scrape your paddle clean with a rubber spatula. If you need to do a quick fold, you can. Just look at that nice rich texture. Such a versatile and delicious component that you can enjoy with carrot cake, red velvet cake, cupcakes, and the list can go on. This frosting is now ready for piping or spreading on a cake with. And of course, I decided to decorate a carrot cake with this frosting. Let's be honest with each other. I would eat this carrot cake for its cream cheese frosting. Since that is the case, I wouldn't stop eating this carrot cake. Well, there you have it, a quick and luscious cream cheese frosting. And, as usual, it was a pleasure having you with us on this journey today. If you enjoyed what you watched, please leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to be notified of upcoming videos, and we shall see you in the next one. Bye for now.